How's it going, everyone? My name is Carson with the Hello Auto Group, and today we'll be doing a deep dive to help you learn and set up your Kia Infotainment System. Now, next to me, I have a 2024 Kia Telluride. Now, not everyone has the same car, which is a good thing because everything I'm mentioning here on this Telluride will apply to the majority of the 2024 Kia lineup. So without further ado, let's get this video started. Let's start with the steering wheel buttons. You'll have the voice command button, the mode button, which allows you to switch through your different types of media. You have your volume rocker, the track selector, your call button, and a custom button setting, which you can set to anything you'd like. On the right side of the steering wheel, you'll have your information button that allow you to switch through different menus on your gauge cluster. And then you have a rocker that allows you to switch to different sub-menus within the gauge cluster. The cruise control button allows your Kia to automatically drive at a consistent speed that you set without you having to use the gas or brake pedal. You have your speed increase and decrease rocker for your cruise control. You have the distance indicator button, which will set how far or close you are to the car in front of you. And then we have the lane keep assist button, which has two functions. The first function is that it alerts you when you are veering out of your lane. The second function is lane follow assist, which will provide gentle steering assist to help you stay centered in a lane. Let's look at your infotainment system that controls many aspects of your vehicle. Now, all you have to do is tap the screen and swipe to the right, and you will find all of the icons. Now, depending on the model and trim of your vehicle, you might have a different size screen or some options missing that I'll be covering today. Don't worry though, since majority of the options I'll be covering here will still apply to your Kia. So first we'll be looking at the user profile. To get to the user profile, all you have to do is tap the picture icon on the top left of the screen. These user profiles allow each person to have their own saved setting for the vehicle. You can adjust your profile settings by tapping the name of the profile. By tapping Change User, you can swap between users, or you can set it to a guest user in case someone other than the owner is driving the vehicle. Now we'll do a quick overview of the icons on your screen. The Maps icon will open up a full interactive map for you to use. You can also search for places of interest from here as well. The navigation menu allows you to search, alter, or save your route and places of interest. The phone icon is where you'll find all of your connected phones along with their text messages, phone numbers, and other notifications. Phone projection allows you to set up your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Stay tuned and we'll show you how to connect your phone along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now, Voice Memo allows you to record a short recording that saves to your vehicle. The climate icon allows you to control the climate all around the vehicle, and in some vehicles, you can control the front and rear independently. Valet mode protects your information when taking your vehicle to a valet. It will lock your touchscreen behind a passcode that you set, ensuring that all your information stays private. You'll need Kia Connect in order to use this feature. Mainly for the larger vehicles, Passenger Talk allows the driver's voice to be projected to the rear seats through the rear speakers. Quiet mode provides sounds only to the front seats. It will also make sure the volume doesn't exceed a quiet level. HD radio data allows you to look at live information such as traffic, fuel prices near you, and the weather. Setup allows you to adjust and fine-tune the car to your liking. We'll go more into depth here in a little. We have the radio that allow you to switch to AM, FM, and Sirius XM. You can also set your own presets for the radio through the star button on your steering wheel. The media button lets you see more than just a radio. Here you can swap to Bluetooth audio, USB music, Kia's Sound of Nature, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. Kia Connect gives you even more options for your Kia, such as roadside assist, vehicle diagnostics, and the Kia Connect call service. You'll need to activate Kia Connect in order to use these services. Finally, you have the user manual. You can use your phone to scan the QR code and have direct access to it. If you ever want to change the order of the home icons, you can hit the 3 lines at the top left of the screen. If you want to reset them, go ahead and tap the reset button. And that's all for the main screen. Let's go over connecting your phone and adding Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. First, tap the phone icon. It should then prompt you to find the name of the car on your phone through Bluetooth. Once you select it on your phone, make sure the number on the screen matches the number on your phone. After that, select Pair on your phone. You'll be asked if you want to transfer your call history, contacts, and text to the car. If you'd like that to happen, just press Allow on your phone. Congrats! Your phone is now connected to the Kia. To connect your Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, it's very simple. Now today I'll be using an Android, but the steps are identical for an iPhone. First, you'll need a phone and a phone charger. Connect the USB into the plug-in in your center console, then connect the cable to your phone. On the screen, press continue, and just like that, you're connected. If you want to go back to the main interface, you can tap the Kia logo. If Android Auto or Apple CarPlay doesn't open up when you plug your phone in, just tap the phone projection and it should open right up. Here in the setup category, we'll find a bunch of options that we can customize. In the vehicle settings, we can adjust many different settings, such as the driving assistance, the exterior and interior lighting, the gauge clusters, and much more. The navigation settings will let us adjust everything on our map, from the alerts and guidance, to the font size, and to the color of the map. The sound settings let you adjust the tone and position of the audio, as well as the navigation voice volume. Device connections is where you'll see and modify all the devices connected. You can also find your privacy mode here, along with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto settings. The user profile lets you switch and adjust any other profile in this vehicle. It also lets you switch to the guest mode. In the screen layout, you can adjust the cluster theme, the screensaver when the display is off, and the split screen layout. In the display settings, you can adjust the brightness of the screen, add a blue light filter, and adjust the parking camera. The button settings let you set different commands for the buttons on your steering wheel, along with the volume and tune knobs. The data network allows you to activate your Kia Connect services. You can also set up your Wi-Fi hotspot here as well. The general settings let you adjust settings such as your date and time, language, keyboard, units of measurement, and the factory reset. You'll also find basic information about the system here. And that wraps up the settings you can adjust in the Kia Infotainment System.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned a little bit more about how your Kia works. If you have any other questions or you're interested in getting a Kia, be sure to go to HelloAutoGroup.com, links in the description below. My name is Carson, and I'll see you in the next video.